Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter using your Thermomix. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need at least 500 milliliters of very cold, heavy cream, ideally with a fat content of 35% or higher. The colder the cream, the faster and more efficiently it will churn into butter. You might also want a small pinch of salt for flavor, but that's entirely optional. Make sure your Thermomix bowl is clean and dry before you begin. Now pour your very cold, heavy cream into the Thermomix bowl. Secure the lid and set the speed to 4. You'll want to churn the cream for about 2 to 3 minutes. Keep a close eye on the mixture through the lid opening. You'll notice it thicken, then eventually separate into solid butter and liquid buttermilk. This transformation happens quite quickly, so stay attentive. Once the butter and buttermilk have separated, carefully strain the contents of the Thermomix bowl through a fine mesh sieve or a colander lined with cheesecloth. Collect the buttermilk for other recipes, as it's delicious. Next, rinse the solid butter under very cold running water, gently kneading it until the water runs clear. This step is crucial for removing all residual buttermilk and preventing your butter from spoiling quickly. After washing, press out any remaining water from your butter. Now is the time to add a pinch of salt if you prefer salted butter. Mix it in thoroughly. You can then form your fresh butter into a block, roll, or any shape you like. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, or freeze it for longer preservation. Enjoy your homemade butter. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.